They say they've got quite a few. There's a bird that got a fright. Hi there and welcome back to the channel. We're just outside of Riversdale. What's actually quite interesting is, if you remember the last episode, we crossed over those mountains over there at Garcia's Pass, and the terrain has really changed quite dramatically. Before Garcia's Pass it was still quite wild and unchanged, but yeah, there's a lot more farmland and it's really been worked. So yeah, really looking forward to this route. Stopped right here. You can see the gravel road starts right here from the asphalt to the gravel. So let's get going. Harvesters, yeah. That's why Riversdale is so busy. Farm roads. Took a wrong turn and now to have to correct it. Travelling through the farmlands. Yay! Yay! That was just in time. He had something in his mouth. Yeah. A dwarf mouse dog.
Or a meerkat.
This is the road we were supposed to be on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So we're back on track.
Back on track. Male and a female. The male has just unfortunately gone into the bushes now, and this is the female still hanging around checking us out. Ostriches. Knock knees. Wild Rescue Nature Reserve. We've made it. Wow. We finally arrived here at Wild Rescue and I think it is brilliant. It's in a private nature reserve and I've got so much I want to go and show you guys, which they told us we can go and see. So, but first let me show you the accommodation. This is our little place. That's the house where the owner lives, and this is our little house for the evening. Check these old stable doors. Wow. There we go. It's nice and clean. Check these thick walls. It's like crazy. Really old style. Must have been old stables or something. This is all we need. If we need a kitchen, they said we can just come into the house and use their kitchen. But what a shower. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Let me start unpacking, and then I'm going to take you for a walk around this beautiful place. Apparently they've got tortoises that have been rescued. They had 23, which they rescued from, there was a lady who owned a farm, I think she said in Worcester, and she sold the farm, and the new owners didn't want the tortoises because everybody used to bring her the tortoises to look after them, and they never wanted them, so then they brought them here, 23 of them, and then Cape Nature brought them another 5, so they've got 28 tortoises. And there's one tortoise there apparently called Oma, which is grandma, and she's 60 years old. So that's where I'm headed right now. I want to go and see Oma and her other friends. There's a bird that got a fright. Check at these flowers. Wow. Really lovely colors, eh? Beautiful colors. Wow. I just want to stay on the trails. I want to walk off of the trails because it's a reserve. You walk off the trails, you don't know what's laying eggs where. So just stick to the trails. They're there for a reason.